this video, you are going to learn how you can put a good ringtone on your cell phone. It happens that in this video I will teach you how to remove it from Spotify and place it in your ringtone, but it happened that Spotify no longer has an option. I am going to teach you. We are going to lower the volume so that it does not bother us. We are going to select a song, for example. Okay, for example, this. We have this song, so let's go to the 3 points. Hang a second. Okay, this. Touch in 3 points and see all this that we have here. We will not be able to download that sound. The only thing you can do is to search for the name Grady and going to a SnapTube. If you don't know what is a SnapTube is, look for a video here. Is Tecnología about a YouTube video downloader that will appear. This one now. Let's look for it here. Ready? You will look for it and okay. Once we are here, what we are going to do is select the song that we want to download, and we have the formats for the theme, the classic, quick format. There you can place any of these depending on the capacity of your cell phone, and it will be downloaded there. Place it as your ringtone. That's all, guys. Thanks you for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us what you thought of it.